Hello and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I wanted to talk to you about some of the interesting features that make Cheap Joe's Art Stuff a special place. Maybe some of the things that you really hadn't thought about all that much. And one of them that I think is really kind of unique is our own 365-day return policy. Now you're thinking, oh, please, like what, but think about this. You ever bought a car and then let you drive it off the lot and let you put 10 or 12,000 miles on it and then you can return it in a year after because, I don't know, you don't like the smell anymore? No, that doesn't happen. Where have you ever shopped anywhere that would let you do that? Or you buy, say, an evening gown and you wear it to a couple of special events and you stank it all up and then tell them that you're going to return it because you found out sequins chafe. Who does that? Nobody but Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. And why do we do this? It's not for all the reasons that you're thinking. It's about confidence. Artists need confidence. They need to eliminate as many variables as they can because there's an awful lot of variables alive in the artistic process. And if you buy materials and you want to try them out and possibly add them to your repertoire of things that you do, and let's face it, it's hard doing that. It's kind of an investment in a lot of different ways. If it doesn't work out at Cheap Joe's, just send it back. We're fine with that. It's totally cool. We understand. We understand the process. We understand all that stuff. We want you to be confident in the work that you do, in the materials that you buy from us. We're confident in the materials that we sell, and we want you to be too. So we allow you a whole year to make up your mind. Just call us and send the stuff back. We'll take care of it. We're happy to. And we hope it'll bring a lot of comfort and reassurance when you shop with us at Cheap Joe's because it just makes the whole experience better. So enjoy.